everyone doing? It's really boring here. What is that? How's everyone doing? Oh, come on. I love this little girl. See, we are here because of you, isn't it? Yes, I love kids too. That's my favorite. But while we're here today, there's not a lot of kids here, so we're all going to join in. Yeah, are you all ready to join in? Oh, come on. Are you all ready to join in? Okay, we're gonna do this here. I'm just gonna play a little bit. I only have about 20 minutes to do something quickly. So I got about 30 drums over there with little hand percussion. We're just gonna do a big noise and then the program continues. Oh, really? Sweetie, you wanna come over here, please? I love kids. See? Immediately I start playing the music, the dance starts. This is what happens. You don't go to African party and just sit down. The music starts, you start dancing. Everyone here, get up and pick up one of those drums and please come and sit on a chair, please. Not that one is mine. There's little drums over there. Go and grab a drum. Mommy, you can play, daddy, everybody. Hey, if you don't play the drum today, you have to buy me lunch. If I see you sitting down doing nothing, you will buy me lunch. So I will be watching. I see this little girl doesn't want to buy me lunch. You see that? That's why she's picking up the drums. I love the little kids. All right, just sit in front here. If you can sit on the chair, that's fine too. But the little ones, you can just sit on your drum on the front here. Just be like this, just like this. The little one, you can just put your drums on the ground like this, and then sit on it like this. So look at me. Come on. Yeah, beautiful. I love the way you're doing it. That's so cool. If you want, sweetie, you want to come over here too? You want to come over here? Come over here. Come on. Come here. Come. You want to sit the way you're doing it? No, you can sit. No, come and sit here with me. Come here. Oh, come on. I know you can do it. Come on. I know you can do it. Come on, sweetie. Come on. I know you can do it. All right, there's some more drums over there. Who is not having a drum? Who is not having a drum here? Children, man, you want to get up, sweetie? Get up, up. Get up. Here we go. We got a round march for the children. All right. Children on the mat. The children have to be on the mat. All right. As I said, if you're not playing the drum, you will buy me lunch here, okay? All right. Oh. Okay, we're just going to do this quickly. Just going to do a quick one. Are you all ready? Let me see all your hands up in the air like this. Come on. Wave your hand for me. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, I love the energy. Yes, I love that. That's so cool. All right. Keep waving your hands. I'm going to be counting 4. After 4, give me a very big drum roll together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody, louder! Come on. You have to stop. If you don't stop, you will come and dance for us. If you don't stop playing the drum, you will dance. Okay? I mean, like you will really dance. You try again? 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go! Everybody, stop! Go! Stop! And stop. Who is that playing the drum? Is that you or your big sister? Go, everybody! I love it. Oh, yes. Now, everybody, stop. All right, now let's start a party here. I love party. Do you guys love party? Do you love party? Really? That's why I drove all the way here to just have fun with you. Have you go? Oh, okay. Wait. Here it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to try this. I want everybody. Now we're going to try it again one more time. Let's try it again one more time. We're going to go like this, everybody. Let me turn this up a little bit. All right, Chubby. All right, that's beautiful. 5, 6, everybody like this. Let me hear everybody like this. Come on, let's do it like this. Oh, yes. Come on, let me hear everybody in the house. Let's have some fun here. See, the title says I'm waiting on already. Let me go like this. She's so awesome. I love your way, love your way. Let me go. Everybody, move your 2 hands like this. Come on, everybody, move your body like this. Come on, move it. Come on, let me see everybody moving it. Move your body. Hey, we are Africans. You don't play the drum like this. That's really boring. You have to move your body. Let me see the whole energy happening here. We'll try again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go like this. Come on. Oh yeah, I love your way. Come on, here we go. Yes. That's so cool. I love you. Moving. Everybody moving. Everybody moving. Everybody moving. Everybody moving. Everybody moving. Now you're gonna go like this. Everybody. 5, 6, 7. Everybody left and right. Let it go. Left and right. Let it go. Left and right. Let it go. Left and right. I love your way. That's so cool. That's so nice. I love it. Now keep on moving it. Keep on moving it. There we go. Everybody move it like this. Move it like this. Move it. Now we're gonna go like this, everybody. 5, 6, 7, everybody. Clap your hands. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. I can hear you. Come on, 5, 6, 7, let's go. I can hear you. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Oh yeah. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Come on, let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Everybody, like this. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Come on, louder. Here we go. Oh yeah, one for me, and then one for mommy. What about one for daddy? Here we go. Now everybody, let's go. Move it. Here we go like this. Come move it. Here we go like this. Come on, move it. Here we go like this. Come on. Let me see everybody moving it. Let me see everybody moving it. Oh yes. Now big drum roll together. Everybody. 5, 6, 7, everybody. How's your hands going? That's just a quick warm up. I love the children here. It's really, kids day today. They are really going wild on the drum. All right. Now here we're going to go like this. When I say African drumming, everybody going to hit in the middle of the drum and go like this. Hey, can we do it? African drumming. Come on, together. African drumming. Come on. I can only hear these 4 kids here. This 4. The adults, we are not here for the adults, isn't it? Yeah, it's just for us. Yeah, try again. Here we go. African drumming. Come on, hey. I can only hear this little girl. Yeah, she's so loud. Yeah, the parents, nah. Now try again. African drumming. All right, when you say hey, I would like everyone to go like this. Oh, like with a beautiful smile on your face. If you don't smile, I will send you home. Yeah, you will go home. Not you, because you are really smiling. So you will stay. You will stay. All right, we'll try it again. Here we go again. African drumming. Hey! What is that? What is that? Come on. If you don't do the O properly, you're gonna stay here till tomorrow morning. Yeah. You will be sleeping here, and you will be sleeping here too, and then you. Yeah, have you again. African drumming. Hey! You know what? When you go to the stadium, I love this one here. I love your work. Don't run away. I mean, you. He's running away. Here we go. African drumming. All right, beautiful. Now, when we finish that, we're going to go straight to the middle of the drum like that. I'm going to put the groovy music on. Can we do it again one more time? Here we go. African drumming. Everybody, let's go like this. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's get it louder. Let's get it louder. Let's get it louder. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Let me hear you louder. Come on. Let me go like this. Come on. Let me go like this. Come on. Let me go. African drumming. Hey. Oh, come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Let me go. African drumming. Come on. Let's do it like this. Come on. African drumming. Hey. All right. I know this is gonna be a really silly question. Do you all know how to count 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes. Do you really know how to count it? Really? Do you know I don't know how to count it? Do you know how to count it? Can you count it for me? I have to go back to Kinder. I have to go back to Kinder. All right, now we're going to be going like this. Let me everybody come together. We're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we do it together? 5, 6, 7. Let's go. See, I told you the parents doesn't know how to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you because you have to teach them. You are awesome. You are 4. So you have to teach mommy and daddy how to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's run again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, now they can count. We try loud again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, now beautiful. Now listen to this. We're gonna go like this. 4 to the right and then 4 to the left. Can we do it again? 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Now we together again one more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now the next one it goes like this. 2 to the right and 2 to the left and stop. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, stop. 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the last one goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this one here, you have to be moving your body, okay? Can we do it? 5, 6, 7, let's go. You are not counting. I can't hear you. A bit more louder. He's the only one doing the work. Oh, thank you very much. Now the last one goes like this. Then you say, yay! Yeah, let's all do the last one together. 1, 2, 3, let's go! No. Try to go one more time. 5, 6, 7, let's go! But you know what? I know there's a lot of cameras in the house here. I would like, to take that shot where everyone like having so much fun like this. Yeah, not like this. That's really boring. If you like this in the camera, I'm sure daddy will delete the photo. Do you want daddy to delete your photo? No. What's that? Yeah, we don't need a boring photo at home. We need a happy photo. Yeah? Can we try it again? Big drumming roll. 5, 6, 7, let's go! Now, do you remember we're going to go 4 to the right and 4 to the left and 2 to the right and 2 to the left and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Big drum roll together. This lady's looking on you and go, what is he saying? You understand? This, see, that's why I love kids, Big sisters, nah. I love little ones. Yeah, you 4 here, awesome. This one's supposed to come to join. Are you coming to join this time? You want to grab a drum there? You want to grab one drum? Go and grab one drum, quick. Yeah, only the best ones coming on the mat. Yeah, the rest, nah. The rest are boring. Yeah. If you want to come and join the happy kids here, it's on the mat. See? All right. Now here we go again. We're gonna go like this. Are you listening now? Are you listening now? Are you listening now? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Big drum say yay. All right, now let's have fun with this now. Now when I say African drumming, you know what to say? Yeah? Yay. Oh, love your wife. This woman forgot, so she's just looking at me. What are you talking about? All right, here we go like this. Here we go. African drumming. You trying to get it? African drumming. Oh, everybody like this. Come on, let's do it like this. Oh yeah, let me see everybody louder. Yes, I love your way. That's so cool. Move it up. Everybody move it up. Everybody move it up. Everybody move it up. Everybody. Oh yes. All right, are you ready to count? Yeah, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Your mom and dad are counting the 1, 2, 3, 4 backwards. They're counting it backwards. I can't hear the hey. This is gonna be the last one here, and then we're gonna move on to something different. Okay? Let's do something quickly. I know I don't have enough time. What is that, sweetie? We make it louder. Yeah, you're part of it. Yeah. You're making it louder. This is the last one here. We're gonna move on to something else. It hurt your hand. I promise this is the last one, sweetie. Then we're gonna move on, okay? I really promise. I promise. This is the last one. Here we go. Here we go. African drumming. Hey! Everybody move it. Come on, everybody move it. Come on, let me hear everybody louder. All right, now when I say oh yeah yeah, everybody say oh yeah yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah yeah. Come on, I can hear you. Here we go. Oh yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3, let's go. Alright, beautiful. Hey, let me have all the little ones at the front here. If mommy and dad would love to join you, that's alright. Big sisters, come on, feel free to join in. It's all for fun, yeah? You want to get rid of this drum? I've got about five more minutes, I promise you. Yeah?
Alright, give me the drum.
Yeah, just come here and then let me play this one here. I want to see all the little ones at the front here. All the little ones. You want to stay on the mat? Okay. Everybody get up on your feet, please. Get up on your foot. All right, let's do this. Stay on your foot. All right. Yes, very good way, otherwise it's going to be slippery. Hey, all the little one comes here. All right. Now, we're going to do a little dance that I call it the animal dance. All right. What is your favorite animal, sweetie? Are you going to think about it? What about you? What's your favorite animal? Bunny? Oh, what about you, sweetie? A giraffe. And you too? Do you know how giraffe dance? Can you dance like giraffe? A cat. You like a dog. Okay. Do you know my favorite animal? It's a lion. And you know what? I'm really scared of lion.
I saw a real lion.
You saw a real lion? Alright, here we go like this. Now, this is what we're gonna do. Any animal that I'm gonna mention their name, you just have to do the sound of the animal or the movement of the animal. For example, when I say lion, do you all know how lion roar? Yeah, we can. Can you all roar like a lion? That's really scary. That's really scary. I really want to run away and pass through this door. Okay. Oh, can we do it again one more time? Oh, scary. All right. Now we're gonna go like this. When I start playing the music, you're gonna be stomping your foot like this. Stomp your foot for me. 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 Stomp your foot. When I say lion, everybody go. When I say lion, everybody go. When I say lion, everybody go. When I say kangaroo, everybody jump like a kangaroo, jump like a kangaroo, jump like a kangaroo, jump like a kangaroo, jump like a. When I say snake, everybody move like a snake, move like a snake. Oh man, I love these kids. Move like a snake, move like a snake, move like a snake. All right. When I say crocodile, everybody snap like a crocodile, snap like a crocodile, snap like a crocodile, snap like a crocodile, snap like a crocodile. All right. What is your favorite animal again? A dog. Do you know how a dog dances? Or are we gonna be barking like a dog? Is that a little dog or a big dog? Big one. Everybody, when I say dog, everybody go, whoa, whoa, whoa. When I say dog, everybody go, whoa, whoa, whoa. When I say dog, everybody go, whoa, whoa. Oh, I love it. Now, what is your favorite animal, Julie? Do you know how giraffe dance? Giraffe has a very long neck. So you're going to be dancing like giraffe. Or everybody dance like a giraffe, dance like a giraffe, dance like a giraffe. Sounds like a giraffe. What about you? What's your favorite animal? A lion again. We're all gonna be eating like a lion in this house. You don't like it? Oh, okay. All right. We got two visitors here. What is your favorite animal, mister? Aisha, what is your favorite animal? He just came in, so he's a bit confused. That's all right. What is your favorite animal, mister? Giraffe again? What's your favorite animal? Zebra. Oh, okay. All right. Monkey. Everybody dance like a monkey. 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 All right. When I say bird, everybody fly like a birdie. Come on, fly like a birdie. Fly like a birdie. Fly like a birdie. Beautiful work. All right. Hey, I'm gonna tell you my last favorite animal. Do you want to hear that? Do you really want to hear it? All right. Everybody stomp your foot for me. 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 Now it's coming. When I say sloth, everybody move like a sloth. Move like, you have to move very slowly. You know how sloths move very slowly. Keep moving. Keep moving slowly. Oh yes. Keep moving slowly like a sloth. Keep moving slowly. I love your work. Keep moving slowly. This is gonna take you a very long time to get home today. If you're gonna move like this. Keep moving slowly. I love it. Now, you know what? Everybody go and grab mommy and daddy. Let's do the last dance party. Go and grab mommy and daddy. Come on. If mommy is here, go and grab mommy. If daddy is here, grab daddy. Yes, come on. Daddy, come on. Daddy, don't say no, daddy. Come on. Hey, go and grab daddy. Quick, go and grab daddy. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Are you got? I'm lucky you got a daddy. I know your daddy. Do you know me? Do you know me? Oh, it's good that you know me. All right, we're gonna do our last dance here. Where's daddy? Come on, where's daddy? Go and grab daddy. Come on. Come on, daddy. Let's do this quickly. I love this girl. Come on, daddy. Come on, Daddy. All right. Now, I love the way you're grabbing Daddy. You know what? You and Daddy going to dance. Oh, that's funny, yeah? I love that. You know what? Go and grab Daddy. Bring him to the middle. Good job. See, it's not my fault. Blame her. Not my fault. All right, you know what? When I put the music on, you're going to be dancing really hard like Daddy, okay? All right, and everybody's going to be clapping for them. You ready? 5, 6, 7, everybody, and let's go like this. Oh, yeah! I love your work. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's awesome. Now, come on, Lily. I know you, Lily. You can't hide because Daddy loves to dance. Oh, you can't hide behind the man who loves to dance. 5, 6, everybody, move it. Come on, let's go, Lily. Come on. Come on, Lily, let me hear you. Come on. 5, 6, everybody, stop. Lily hasn't seen Daddy dance like that before. So she's a little bit confused. Lily's a bit confused. Hey, you wanna break? Oh, okay. 2 of you will come in. Let's do this a lot. Oh, yeah. I know you can do by yourself. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Give family, I love it. I love this. Man, I wish I could wear this to do this, but I'm going to be too hot. All right, that's so cool. Are you ready to dance? I don't think we even make Daddy here. The 3 of you like, man, 3 boys.
Let Daddy dance too.
Daddy's in trouble here. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Let's go like this. Come on. These 2 beautiful girls, come on. Hey, come on. 2 of you. Yes, you. You're gonna be my last dance here. You're gonna be my last. I'm sorry. Come on, quick. See, in my workshop, I don't, put people aside. Everybody's included. Okay, I'm sorry. You wanna come here, please? Yeah, this is African fun, All right, you ready to dance? Are you ready to dance? 5, 6, 7, let's go, Lonnie. Come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, everybody stop. All right, beautiful. Thank you all very much. Thank you, everybody, for joining in. There's 2 more. All right, 2 more. Come on, 2 more. Come on. Yes. Thank you. You guys can have a seat. This is African event. I'm sorry. This is African event. Come on, show us the moves. You know how to do it? And with your mother. Oh, see? She's going, why me? That's what she's saying. Why me, Mom? I know, I'm sorry. Next time, if you go to event and you saw me over there, go, oh my God, I'm in trouble. Are you ready to dance? Here we go. Are you ready to dance? 5, 6. Everybody for joining in once again. My name is Kofi, all the way from West Africa, Ghana. Thank you for having me. I love this girl. You're awesome. See? She can't stop dancing. Thank you.